everyone, and welcome to Alicia. I'm so glad you could join me again. And today we're going to start our series on the English storybooks. Ooh, I'm so excited. So you can gather around, listen, and read along. What book did I choose for us today? Let's have a look. Wow, you guys, look at this beautiful picture. And the title is Tiger, Tiger, Where Are You? The author is called Mujahid Khan. What can we see in this picture? I see a man. Here's a man. And he has some binoculars. Maybe he's a tourist. Or could he be a forest ranger? And he's obviously looking for a tiger because we can see that from the title. And there is a lot of plants in this area. You can see some forest and there's a road. Oh, and look, what do we have here? A tail of a cat. I wonder if it's a tiger. Let's get started. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you see my watery trail by the lake? I took a nap in the cool water. Oh, let's see, what can we see here? Oh my gosh, you guys, look. There's a leopard. Wow. He's sleeping in a tree, so that's definitely not our tiger. Oh, and I think we have a peacock who's having some water. And a deer. I think this deer is called a chital because this story takes place in India. And here, oh, here's the man and he's looking at something. What does he see? We can see a watery trail by the lake. And this is where the tiger was. He came there to take a nice cooling bath and then a nap before going off somewhere. Let's see what the next page holds. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you see my footprints on the soft soil? Look hard. I could be coming or going. Oh, here's 1, 2, 3 chital deers. And you can see they look a little bit nervous because their eyes are quite big, but they're all looking in this direction. Let's have a look at the footprints. Down here, these are the footprints. And you can see the toes are all in this direction, and then the big flat paw part is like towards the back, right? So I think that the tiger is going in this direction because we can see that the deer, their eyes are quite big and they're looking over their shoulder in that direction. Let's see. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you see my scratch marks on the tree? I was sharpening my claws. Whoa. Look at these big scratch marks. And they're quite high up the tree too, because they're near the squirrel's house. And there are 2 squirrels. Did you guys know that India has about 40 different kinds of species of squirrel? And my favorite is called the giant squirrel. It's quite big. It has many, many colors. I'll show you a picture right below. What do you think? Isn't it so cool and beautiful? Wow, what a squirrel. I wish I could have one of them as a pet. But they don't make good pets because they're actually wild animals, and wild animals need to stay outdoors. They're not like domesticated cats and dogs that we can just have around our house. Besides, the giant squirrel wouldn't do really well where I live. There's not a lot for it to eat here. So it would be better for it to stay where it is in India and be beautiful on a tree. Maybe I can take a trip to India to go and see the squirrel instead of trying to get it as a pet. I think that's a better idea. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you smell my scent on the rock? The spray helps a tigress find me. Okay, so this was the tree that we just saw. Here's all the scratch marks, and here's the two cute squirrels. Oh, here's our peacock friend. I think this is the male because the male has that big fanning colorful tail to make the females think that he's quite handsome. And wow, what do we have here? This is a great hornbill. That's the Indian great hornbill. And they actually have sometimes some dull colors, but they can have a little bit of a blue sheen to them. And sometimes they have some yellow too, and they can be quite beautiful. And here's the lake. Okay. Here's some tall grass. Oh, and this is called a striped hyena. They almost look like tiger stripes, but they're hyenas, like the ones you get in Africa. But these ones, they belong in India, and they have quite spiky hair. I think they look like rockers. They're the rockers of the hyena group. Punk rockers, how cool. Okay, you guys, let's see if we can find the spray. It's not this because that's an old building. There's some rocks. I think it's this part. Do you see here? It almost looks like something was like sprayed against the wall. Or against that rock in case that's not a wall, that's a rock. Yeah, so the scent was sprayed there, and cats do that. Even our pet cats at home, especially the males, they like to do that a lot. That's why it's best to get them fixed. Otherwise they make your whole house smelly because they like to scent mark everything as their territory to tell all other male cats to bug off. This is my space. And to tell all the females, hello, I'm single. Do you want to be my girlfriend? And that's what the tiger is doing. He's trying to tell all the male tigers that this is my spot. But he's also saying, hello, tigress, I'm single. Do you want to be my girlfriend? Wow. Interesting. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you see what I ate yesterday? How would we be able to see what he ate yesterday? The hair and nails should give you a clue. Oh, here are two of the forest rangers or tourists, and they're looking at something. Oh, I know what that is. That's tiger scat. Scat is poo-poo. And you know, with wild cats, the rangers will often check the cat doo-doo, the poo-poo, the stinky hoo-hoo, to see if they have a healthy diet, because tigers don't digest everything like hyenas do. Hyenas digest everything, like bones and hair and everything. That's why their poop is white, because they literally take everything out of what they eat and only poop out what they don't need. But tigers, they can't digest hair and nails or hooves or parts of bones sometimes. And so they poop that out. And that gives the forest rangers an idea of what kind of animals the tigers are eating and if they have enough food. That's a good thing, but I don't think I could touch that. That's a bit stinky for me. How about you? Would you look at tiger poop? Ooh, tell me in the comments below. Ooh, and look, what do we have here? Is this the tiger? I'm not sure if this is the tiger. It's a little bit small. It might be another wild cat. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you hear that loudmouth languor's warning? He told the entire forest that I was on the move. Whoa, you guys, these monkeys, they are very noisy. But they're a really good warning system to all the other animals inside the forest for in case there are some cats on the prowl ready to hunt and pounce and eat them. But also, they have funny faces. They make me think of like really stingy, scrunchy, angry, scruffy old men. Look at their faces below and tell me, what do you think? Don't they just look like old men? They do to me. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you hear my growl? I want other tigers to know that this part of the forest is mine. Whoa, so we know that there are two things that tigers do. They spray their scent on rocks in different places to tell other tiger males that this is their patch. No other boys allowed. And then also to tell all the females, hey, do you need a boyfriend? Here's my number in a scent form. I wonder if that would work in real life with other men too. I don't think so. Anyway, the other thing that the tiger males do is they like to growl really loudly to let the other tigers know that they are the boss of this space. You know, lion males, they roar really loudly, right? And the females roar too. But tigers, they growl or they chuff. That's another way of saying that they have a kind of different sound than other cats do. And you can see all these animals, the chital deer, and the birds are all scared because they're scattering, they're flying and they're running away from this loud growl. And you can see that the tourists or the forest rangers, they're looking around because they've noticed that something is close by. So one's looking in this direction and the other one's looking behind them because you never know when a tiger's going to jump out, especially in the forest. Be careful, please. Okay. Tiger, tiger, where are you? I was just here. Didn't you see my false eyes? I tricked you. Here's our langur monkeys, and they're clearly upset about something, especially this guy. Looks like he's shouting at something in this direction. What can we see? Oh, I see it. Do you? Look here. These are called a tiger's false eyes because it isn't really their eyes. It's actually markings on the back of their ears so that it looks like the tiger is looking in the opposite direction when it's actually looking right in front of it. It's a really tricky thing that tigers are quite smart with their camouflage. So this part that we're seeing right here is the back of the tiger's head with his ears that look like eyes. You can see in the picture below, I have some photos for you to look at. Tiger, tiger, where are you? Here I am. You found me. And here's the tiger. Whoa, isn't he a big cat? Wow, you guys, so majestic. What a beautiful cat. Wow, look at all his stripes. And he's a little bit white under his belly, and orange and yellowish and black. Handsome tiger, isn't he? And then here are all the rangers. They are researchers at the National Center of Biological Science, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. They are attempting to understand the living systems all around them. And Mujahid is a part of the Ranthambore Tiger Project. Is that correctly? Did I pronounce that correct? Ranthambore Tiger Project. I think I got that tricky word right now. If I didn't, please let me know if I didn't pronounce that correctly. Where Uma Ramakrishna, Senior Fellow, DBT. Wow, these are lots of big words. Welcome India Alliance, NCBS, and her group, which are all these people, are trying to understand the genetic impacts of isolation and inbreeding on endangered species. Now, the word inbreeding means like, sometimes if there's not enough of one particular group of animal, the daddy, he will also make babies with the little baby daughter. So that can become a problem, especially with tiger families in general, because inbreeding produces a lot of like really bad side effects. Yeah. This is why he spends a lot of time tracking tigers through their pug marks, claw marks, and scat. Remember, scat is poo-poo. So we were right. These aren't tourists. They are rangers and researchers studying the tigers and trying to make sure that they have enough different tigers that visit them so that they don't have any inbreeding and cause a big catastrophe within the tiger family. Okay. Wow, you guys, that was super interesting. I hope you enjoyed that story as much as I did. Let me know if you know of any other interesting animals in India. I would love to know about them. See you next time. Bye.